Hey, fresh out this morning. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com, by the way. This is called EbookStudio, fresh out today. And why did I start on this black and white part? That's boring. Get ready to dump boring PDFs, cheat sheets, and instead go to eBooks and FlipBooks, which are the ones where you click and they go boom, opens up like a page, like a book, but with a digital kind of cool function to it. Let me just show you inside here. That's the boring part. Here's the exciting part. Here's a regular kind of a little article. Look at this, what they turn it into. Here's another one. Who's going to read that? Whoa, look at this. So this is what they do. They create, uses artificial intelligence to auto-create these stunning ebooks and flipbooks in any language with covers, mock-ups, designs in 60 seconds. Pretty amazing stuff. I think if I go up to the top here, I'm going to make it look even prettier if I can get down to there. Okay, look at this. So this, I think that one didn't have quite the same color as this does, the same excitement as this does, but you get the idea that you can enter in a keyword, an idea, something you want them to make a little giveaway thing for. And obviously you're going to imprint click here for more information to come to your page. Look at this, select from the templates in 20 plus niches to create these. It's all set up for you. Bam, bam, you can edit a bit of stuff if you want to do it that way. And you can give it away, you can sell it, whatever kind of thing you want. There's a whole bunch that are already included with this. Let's see, I'm going to say 2,000 off the top of my head. Oh, come on. Built-in library of searchable images, videos, and vectors. That's not what I want. I want the, oh, come on. All right, sorry about that. Everybody loves ebooks and flipbooks, blah, blah, blah. You can embed videos. You have great SEO. Somewhere I'm looking to find and they show you different ways of doing this. This is the super easy way, is by using artificial intelligence to just put it together. Bam, makes it for you. And you can basically send the AI out to get you the content, to get you the information. So I see the demo scroll by there. The link in the video description will take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. There's a demo there. There's a $4 off discount coupon there at the bottom of that blog post. So scroll down, watch the demo video. There's a bit about the information about the different one-time offers and upgrades that are available. And then the discount coupon at the bottom, you click the product box. You're here. You can grab this. Fresh out today. It's called EbookStudio. Auto creates stunning ebooks and flipbooks. You're going to love it. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Go check it out.